Alright guys, hopefully it's been a while since I've done a video. This is my micro Cessna that I got the plans off RCG groups. So here it is. It's about 20 inch wingspan, about 90 grams, running on a 9 gram brushless. There we are, we're off. It's kind of dark now, so hopefully you guys can still see this. It flies pretty nice. It's nice and slow. Loops are possible, nice and fast. It's got some power to it. Almost a touch and go, not quite. We'll try for another one. There you go. It is so fun. Whoa. And this is on a 260 mAh milliamp, which this battery I've already flown for about 5 minutes prior to this, and I could probably still get another 5 minutes minimum. Whoa! It almost stalled out. I'm trying to go too slow. But we'll bring her up pretty high, and then we'll come into land. The stall characteristics is just like the big Cessna. It's very nice. You know, the wings will dip a little bit, and you just power up, and we'll come back. But I fly late because it's so light. You've got to fly when there's practically almost no wind. There you go, Cessna. I think it's 185. Servo wheels, 3-channel. You can get the plans off of RCG groups. Get the link right off the page. Thanks for watching.